lovely people, thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you already know the title of this video, it's all about how I do my jelly cake. Yeah, I've already cut everything I'm supposed to cut, so let's just get into it. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm about to melt the gelatin. I'm going to use that thing you're seeing there is syrup. Yes, look at it there. That is the syrup I used. I put 3 tablespoons of syrup and then put chia seed. Allow it to stay a little bit long before using it. Now I'm going to add cold water on the small pot. After that, I'll now start adding the gelatin one after the other. So guys, I appreciate you all once again. My old subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My new subscribers, thank you so much also. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe for more beautiful, amazing, healthy recipe from Mirian, Dike. So let me just allow you guys to watch till the end. Thank you so much once again. Keep watching, guys. So for the quantities of what I use here, I'm going to leave it on the description box. But for the fruits, it's optional. It depends on what you like to use. I mean, any fruits that you like to use, just go ahead, cut it as you want and make use of it. So after melting the gelatin, I will now put it on fire just to warm it, not to allow it to boil, just to preheat it before going to the next step. So right now I'll go ahead and add the mixed syrup, chia seed into it because I have already preheated it, and turn it very well. After that, I will now add the food coloring. Just keep watching to see the end result of this fruit jelly cake. Keep watching, guys. Wow, guys, it's done. So let's go ahead and see how the inside looks like. Here I'm cutting it right away to share it to my kids. Not only to my kids, me too, sharing it to myself. Guys, not only to myself, to you guys also. Yeah, even if you're not going to taste it, but you're going to eat it with your eyes, okay? Don't mind Mirian, Dike. So my family, just take a look at it, how it looks like. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at it, just look at it. Oh, so good. Guys, this is so interesting to see how the gelatin chia seed makes the fruits to hug each other. Just look at it. Oh my goodness, so good, guys. So I will leave you guys here. Let me just cut out the one I will taste for you all. Yeah, so here comes the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Stay blessed.